Hello everyone and welcome to SimCityExchangeTrader. My name is Bjorn, and since this is the first video on the channel, I will dive into a small introduction about my experience with day trading so far. I began trading years ago on the Forex exchange on the MT4 platform, where I explored many various strategies and indicators all hours of the day, morning, evening, night, you name it, I was there. Eventually I stopped trading for 6 to 7 years, where I returned to trading last year, this time focusing on the depth of market trading on the Sierra Short platform, where I found that the ES or the E-mini S&P 500 became my instrument of choice. I've also experimented with the NQ, the YM, the GC and a couple others, but I really love the volatility and behavior of the ES, so I feel a deep connection with this instrument, and now I focus exclusively and entirely on this instrument alone. Eventually my journey led from Sierra Short to the NinjaTrader platform and its Order Flow Plus suite, where I now continue to explore and master its functionalities. I feel quite confident in my approach to the market with these tools, and I recognize there is a lack of similar content online. So I decided to launch this YouTube channel to share my daily trading sessions, part to have a nice log where I can go back to, and part to help other people see a different side of trading on the market, because I also noticed there's not many people that trade this way, and I think order flow is just a must-have and a must-learn tool if you want to be successful in or on the market. With order flow you see the actual action that is given on a particular time in a particular moment, so I don't understand why the majority isn't using that tool exactly. So throughout the videos you are gonna see how powerful these tools are, and I'm more than happy to help you and guide you through installing these and learning them. For now, the current goals I have is to grow multiple 50k sim accounts to 53k and treat them as they were live accounts. Once I achieve this goal, I'm planning to start an evaluation account with HowToTrade, which is a prop firm, and I'm also affiliated with them, so if you want to check them out, please do it through the link that's in the description. I'm aiming to get funded with them and eventually climb the ladder to managing a 400k account and more. If you have any feedback, please don't hold back, go full out. I'm more than happy to read them and take them in consideration. They are of big value to me and they are greatly appreciated. So for now, that's it for the small introduction and to explain the intention of this channel. I really wish you all a lovely, fulfilling life with all the abundance your heart desires. And if you have any questions or personal feedback, please feel free to email me. You'll find the address also in the description below. For now, let's start our first trading session on this channel. First things first, how I'm starting the trading day. My trading session is check if there is any big news coming out. It has been a calm week for me at 5 o'clock in the evening, Western Europe time. So also today, no any big news events coming out. So also Friday, as you can see, I created new 50k sim account. For my analysis, before I start, I open a 60-minute candlestick time frame to mark some key points that formed throughout the day, which I mark with an obvious color, so I have a nice visual on the volumetric chart later on. I'm also having a check on the RSI, the MACD, the cumulative delta, the volume on all time frames, just to have and get a little grasp of how the market went already from opening till now. At the moment I have two ATM strategies that I use. One is 2 contracts with a take profit on 8 ticks and a stop loss on 10 ticks, and I keep one contract open after the other one is closed on the first TP. And the other ATM strategy I have is 3 contracts with the same TP and the same SL. Just at the first TP it will close 2 contracts and keep one runner,
Order
just
filled.
to juice a bit extra cash out of the market. What I see here first is a couple of nice delta formings, nice cumulative delta formings, and I saw an high volume being traded at an absorption level with many disbalances, which made me also jump in very quickly on this one. Put the TP under one of the major key points, which got hit pretty quickly, and it made change my SL to the entry price.
Target filled.
I've put a take profit on bunch of resting or limit sell orders on the right side, which is provided by the market depth indicator of the order flow plus suite. The orange or the yellow ones are resting limit sell orders, and the blue ones are limit buy orders. The market was going quite slow today because this trading session took eventually 1 hour and a half, and I was ending up losing this trade. I was not very happy with this trade, but yeah, eventually all it was okay for what it was. I've put my SL of the runner under the absorption area. Eventually I got stopped out. Looking back on this, I should have switched or left, better said, the SL on where I entered. Losses are part of the game. That's it. I see a lot of strong bullish activity. I was waiting first for price to break through one of the two strong points that I drew on the 1 hour time frame, but I decided to jump in anyway because I saw a lot of strong bullish activity on the volumetric candles in the delta and on the cumulative delta. The first TP got hit quite fast and it kept one open contract. I was deciding where to put the next TP, which I've put right under the big limit orders shown on the market depth on the right side. I felt quite confident the market was going up. As you can see, there's a strong cumulative delta. There is strong delta formation and strong bullish activity on the volumetric candles. So even the market is going slow at that time, I was still quite confident. As you can see also, there are a lot more resting limit sell orders than there are limit buy orders. Everything counted up made me feel quite confident in this market because there was such strong bullish activity going on. Imbalances were showing up, strong bullish active market orders being pushed through. I decided to jump in with two more contracts. Also these new ones that got opened got filled pretty nice. And so there were two remaining open contracts which I placed under the big resting a big limit sell orders. There were many imbalances popping up around one of the absorption levels, and I decided to up the antes and jump in with three other contracts towards that TP I had set under the big resting limit orders, and it kept another runner open. There was really a strong bullish activity going on, which you can see on the cumulative delta, the volumetric candles, strong orders. Yeah, it made me very confident and jump in with another two contracts together with the one runner. I've placed my SLs under the big key point. But yeah, since I saw that strong imbalance on the previous candle, the strong cumulative delta, the strong delta formation, I was very confident in this market. These were also my last contracts I was in the market with. After these ones, I was gonna close down the session for today. And that was it for today. It was a slow moving market, but all by all, it was an okay trading session. I was getting pretty tired and it was time to close off. We're finishing off the trading day with 1,125 euro P&L and a 60 euro fee or commission. So that's not too bad with two contracts in the market. So that was it for the first trading session. I still have to find my way to make it a bit smoother about recording my training session, explaining, etc. So I hope you got something out of it. If you liked, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you got any questions, please ask in the comments or send me an email. And yeah, I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and see you in another session.